Let's play London Bird Quiz. I'll show you a London bird and then give you a few seconds before telling the answer. Let's go. Number 1. It's a wood pigeon. Number 2. That's a house sparrow. Number 3. An Egyptian goose. Number 4. A magpie. Number 5. A ring-necked parakeet. Number 6. A tufted duck. Number 7. A jay. Number 8. A carrion crow. Number 9. Mallard. Number 10. A great spotted woodpecker. And that's it. How did you do? Get all 10? Let me know in the comments. Follow me if you want to learn more bird stuff. And thanks for playing the London Bird Quiz.